And hi, this is Ayana and that's Zamani. And we're gonna be doing cupcake plating. Just give me a minute to get the Play-Doh out. What was it? Don't. So as you can see, I'm still putting the dough in order. Start it back. Well, it's thin, so I have to use the pooper scooper. It's certainly an ice cream scooper, but I just like saying pooper scooper because I eat poop. And it's delicious. Pooper scooper, pooper scooper.